Today I'm going to show you how I do my eyelashes. That's a lash lift and tint. So I am headed to Hawaii next week, and so I always love to do my lashes before a trip. So I have been using this set for the last couple of years and really love it. So I will show you how I prep, and let's get started. First, I'm gonna pin my bangs out of the way because I don't want them getting stuck, because that would be fun. So then I'm taking the adhesive and going to be sticking these. Clearly I've used these a few times, but you're going to be sticking them right above your lash line. And if they don't stick, then you can use some of the adhesive. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky because everything's kind of blurry now. But it's all good, it's all good. It's just part of it. And it's faster to do both at the same time. You could just do one at a time if you wanted, but I like to do both at the same time. So this one's not sticking as well, so I'm gonna put some of the adhesive underneath it to get it to stay. And then you use the same adhesive to glue your lashes to this. Okay, now that we look really attractive, we're gonna be taking the adhesive and using this little comb thing. And then you're going to brush this onto here, and then you're gonna push your lashes up onto it to get them to stick. And then you can use this one. I'm gonna do all of that. Okay, now you can see they're all glued. Sometimes you kind of have to like hold it in place for the adhesive to dry a little bit. We've got them all on there. So next step is the perm lotion. So this one you have to be careful with because you want to do it like in the middle section of your lashes, not down here and not up here on the end, like the tips. So right in the middle section, kind of like the middle third, and you really don't need very much. Like that actually might be too much. I'll tell you, this is really hard to film and do at the same time. So once you have the perm solution on, you're going to cover it with a little piece of saran wrap and leave it on for about 12 minutes. Leave out the tips from the cling film, and also if you got any of the perm solution on the tips, then use a cotton swab and get it off. Okay, time's up. So take these off, throw them away, and then use dry cotton swab to take that perm solution off. Then you're going to repeat with the fix solution. Same thing, middle section of your lashes, not on the tips. Wipe it off if you get it on the tips, and then cover it with the cling film. And then we're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. Okay, again, take these off, throw them away. A dry Q-tip, we're going to take off that fixing solution. And now if you want to tint them, you're going to mix up your tinting solution. I think I got way too much here. It will look brown kind of at first, but it will be black. And then you're going to carefully put this from roots to tips and leave it on for about 10 minutes. And I'm gonna let it sit on for 15 minutes because I want it to be pretty dark. Okay, you can see now they're black and they are done. So what we're gonna do is take cotton swabs, wet them, and we're gonna wipe it off being very careful not to rub it into my eyes. When it gets to this point, it's going to start coming off of the applicator, and that's fine. And you can gently tear it off and then finish cleaning. Okay, they're done. Isn't that crazy? No mascara, and I haven't curled them, but they look so good. I forgot to do my bottom lashes, so I'm putting some on there. I'll let that set for a few minutes, and then we're going to finish with the Nourish lotion. My bottom lashes are done, so I'm gonna take a wet cotton swab and just wipe it off. Okay, and the last step, we're going to put some Nourish lotion on. And something really important is that you're not going to get your lashes wet, like in a sauna or shower or wash your face at all for the next 24 hours. So we've got to be careful doing that. So we'll put some of this on and then we will be good. You can also reuse these, so just rinse them off and let them air dry. And now they are done, and I love them, and I am gonna be so happy at the beach next week.